Did you know that you can get into an IIM right after class 12? I'm sure you are surprised. Welcome to Career Launcher. I'm sure you have known IIMs for the MBA programs, but IIM Indore in the year 2011 started a very new program known as Integrated Programming Management, which is for students immediately after class 12. A unique program in itself, the IPM is designed to develop outstanding leaders not only for the business world but also for the society. The program is divided into two areas. The first 3 years is known as Foundation Program, which is designed to build the analytical rigor of the candidates, and the last 2 years focuses on management education. The unique aspect of this program is the combination of different areas like mathematics, humanities, psychology, fine arts, statistics, and much more to help understand the education of management in a better way. To get into this unique program, all you need is to have 60% in your class 10th as well as class 12th. And you should be less than 20 years of age in the year in which you are appearing for the examination. If you are eligible, you will be appearing for a test known as IPM 80, which is a computer-based test conducted every year in the second week of May. And if you clear and you are shortlisted, then you move to a next stage, which is known as Writing Ability Test and Personal Interview. Every year, IIM Indore selects 120 students out of the 17,000 applications it receives for its 5-year flagship integrated program in management. After 3 years of intensive foundation program, the students join the PGP program or the MBA program in their 4th and 5th year. Every student has to undergo compulsory internship at the end of the 3rd year, which should be a social internship, and there should be a compulsory business internship after the end of the 4th year. Once you fulfill the requirements of the completion of the program, you get a dual degree, the first one being Bachelor of Arts in Foundations of Management and the second one being MBA, Master of Business Administration. I have a great news for all of you. Not only today, IIM Indore is offering this program, but now even IIM Rohtak is about to start a similar program. So I can say that IPM is going to be the mainstay of management education in India. It's just a matter of time before other IIMs contemplate about the same idea and they start with a similar program. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, do post that in the comment section.
Career Launcher. Make your parents explode with joy.